HDB resale prices rose slightly in the third quarter of this year after 4 quarters of declines. Property analysts have described the latest flash estimates as a blip.
They say there's still healthy underlying demand for private homes, which rose for the second straight quarter. Cheryl Lin explains.
Property watchers say the series of changes to public housing policies aim to revitalize the stagnant HDB resale market. The most recent change was in September, where enhanced housing grants were given to first-time buyers. Nearly a month since, early estimates show the resale price index for the third quarter rising marginally by 0.1%, breaking a streak of declines. But analysts say the change is not meaningful yet.
We probably need to see a more sustained level for the next quarter or even for the next 2 quarters to say that the turning has finally turned for the HDB resale market.
Mr. Lee says the rise likely came from uneven price growth rather than the result of policy changes. Resale flat buyers we spoke to said they had already made their purchases before the changes to housing grants and financing policies, and so their decisions weren't affected by that. In fact, analysts say it's going to take at least 3 to 6 months for these policies to really make their impact felt in the market. Looking ahead, analysts expect the public housing market to stabilize. With the new measures in place, it may even stage a small recovery. As for the private property price index, it posted a 0.9% rise in the third quarter, easing from the previous quarter's 1.5%. This was driven by the non-landed segment, where prices have been trending up since the end of 2017. Prices in the core central region saw the biggest pickup. That's because of new launches, where transactions were generally pricier. Overall, experts say the sustained growth is a good sign.
Prices has continued to move up. It also shows that there is actually healthy demand in the market. For third quarter, we could see 3,000 units being transacted, and that is the highest volume since the second quarter of 2017.
Mr. Lee suggested that homes are being bought amid the economic uncertainty, as some buyers view property investments as safe haven assets and a good hedge against inflation.